What is going on, guys? Got a couple things for you tonight. Isn't it amazing how Bitcoin didn't really do anything? No, it's not really amazing. They did that for 3 months. Anyways, so the Russian missile news yesterday turned out to be a Ukrainian defense missile, and even though there was like military videos showing it was Russian, but whatever, we'll ignore all that. So that being said, tomorrow the jobless data and the real estate data comes out tomorrow, so there should be, you know, some direction in the market. Maybe, but yeah, so today was pretty stagnant on NASDAQ. Not really much going on the whole day. It was it was sideways the whole day, but you had the spider lines. You had the keys to the market. Boom. So I managed to take a couple trades. I didn't do too much, didn't get too involved. I wasn't really sure, you know, when it chops like this is what quickly burns your account up. So you got to be careful on this type of stuff. And when trading futures, you know, it can turn around really quickly. So when you know, sometimes you get moves that do break under, and these both broke under, and it almost seemed like it was going to go down further. I didn't really trade. I traded I think a short, and I took it like really quick because I wasn't sure what it was going to do in this. Plus I have my other NQ spider lines that I usually would bounce from like here to here or from, you know, here to here. That's how I do the NASDAQ trading. You get just quick ins and outs. You can see that we have a little, on the 15-minute, we have a little buy signal coming in. So I wonder if we'll pop back up to VWAP, or what will happen if we come down here and pop up to VWAP again. It's something that you got to learn if you are interested in becoming a NASDAQ futures trader. So with Bitcoin, kind of looks like some sideways action. It may curve over into a buy where we get a move up to somewhere. We just got to see what happens tomorrow because we got market data and all that. So there may be something. I know today we had a whole thing with Congress talking about FTX, and they met and did absolutely nothing because they don't understand shit. And yeah, and so FTX wasn't even an American exchange, but yet our Congress is going to talk about regulation. Moving on, I wanted to get into something special tonight for you guys, and it seems like there's not very much info floating around, and that's with XRP. Many people really enjoy this asset. A lot of people have faith in it. My experience with it, I've been in crypto since like 2012. I didn't really know much. I got more into it in 2013. XRP came out, I believe, in like 2014. Let me move this music over. XRP, I believe, came out in 2014. I think I remember it around that time, and it was known as like a scam. And I remember back in 2017, everyone knew it was a scam. It was just a shit coin that wasn't really going anywhere. No one cared. If you do look at the chart of XRP, it has been literally sideways for like 5 years or more. And why did the music stop? There it is. All right. Yeah, it's been sideways for a really long time. It hasn't really done much. So I'm wondering if it ever will. Now, there is a lot of stuff in the background that's very interesting about that. About them being involved in the bank-to-bank transfers on the central bank digital currency. There's tons of documents, everything about it, which I honestly own a lot of XRP myself. So, do I think you should buy it? Yes. But if you can only hold it, you know, like this is a hold that may take 5 years, may take 10 years to get your return on it. XRP is great for that. But if you're you know, really, if all you got is $1,000 to invest, I would say put $100 in XRP and then put the rest in something else for the next bull run, because you may find that the next bull run that XRP doesn't even go up. You know, it just stays the same. And then when we find out at the end of this decade that XRP is used in, like, you know, central bank digital currency transfers between banks, and then it goes up, you know, and then what, you 50x, you know, I feel like there's other things, but I do have money in XRP, I will say. So that being said, I made you guys something special. I made a XRP spider line chart. Okay. And how you can get this is you go on my profile on TradingView, Psycho11, and look at my ideas. You'll find my XRP spider lines. And although I can't get you a more detailed zone, you can see that I plotted these from way long ago. And if you're interested in trying to figure out how to plot these, you can check out the course, which is not available at the moment, but it will be soon. So keep an eye on it. Now, you can see that we had an excellent trade right there. We had a dip under, and usually with these sort of like volatile assets, we'll get that dip under, move up, but it sort of wrote it down. There's not much that goes on XRP, so it's hard to trade. It's more about the long-term hold with this coin. What do I see this coin doing? We back in 2017 had that move up. What an odd price action. And then January 2018 we had that altcoin run, and then boom, and it just kind of fell down since. We never returned back to the high of 2018, which is really strange to me. A lot of assets didn't, which makes me wonder if these bull runs are getting shorter. I'm not sure, and you know, we're not going to know until it happens. But XRP, it seems fine for the time being. We have a higher low. You know, I don't think it's, I mean, even if it dumps, like, how much more is it going to go down? It's probably not going to ever go back to this. You know, we're actually riding the spider line on this. If it does go down, it would be to 23 cents, which would be the same spider line as this. I just don't see it breaking down further. It would mess things up really bad. Maybe the lowest is 20 cents over here, but pop back up in into 2023, 2024. See, like, it's getting closer and closer to the next bull run. So we're only like this far out from the next bull run. It's kind of strange. Time's going really quick, and that's not cool. So that's a quick market update for you guys on XRP. These are the levels I posted earlier. I post my chart with NQ so you guys can watch it. Let's click next on it and see what happened. We broke down, broke under this, sort of came back up, bounced off of this. Could have got some decent trades out of this, even though this was a little odd here. I think that was VWAP. When we hit this was VWAP. Just wasn't much action today. And I know I called a waning moon on Bitcoin earlier. We had a waning moon, and it didn't do anything. But let's see, we got this here. We got the waning moon here. Normally so this time when the waning moon occurred, it went up afterwards. Boom, up afterwards. Here it went down. Interesting. Okay, so it's the other one that generally gets the huge dumps, which is the first moon. Yeah, it's a first moon. So not sure what's going to happen here. It looks more like we might actually go up, but we need to see the market move around, then we can tell. When it sits in this like stagnant area, it's very difficult to tell where it's going to go. And right now we're in a bear market, so it's not much action going on. Main thing that we look for is mostly just traditional markets moving, which they're sort of sideways at the moment. with that big move up here. I wonder if we'll break under this. It'd be interesting to come back down. But yeah, I don't have anything else. If you guys want to type in chat, you want me to look at something, or nobody's watching. Yeah, so if you watch this later, you're interested, check out my Patreon. You can join in chat. I'll draw spider lines on any chart you need, and have an indicator coming out soon that will chart them for you. So being said, I appreciate everyone for watching and appreciate you, and take care.